Welcome. I'm here with Dan from Acme Exteriors, and today, Dan, I'd love to talk with you about vinyl siding. So as I drive around the Lansing area, I notice a lot of homes have vinyl siding. It's a very prevalent material. So could you talk with me through what it looks like when a homeowner comes to you, they've got some issues with their vinyl siding? What are the next steps? What do you typically walk them through?
Yeah, so thank you, Isabel. Vinyl siding is the most common in our area, and it's very easy to repair, easy to clean, long-lasting product, and we get clients all the time that are asking for, can we fix it from breakage? Things like storm damage, it gets dirty, and can it be repaired or replaced is the common question that I get.
Yeah. So what does that look like? I mean, can vinyl siding be repaired or replaced? Like, what's your typical recommendation, or is it very custom depending on the home?
Yeah, so the age of your siding has a lot to do with it.
Okay.
As it ages, it becomes more difficult to repair. But other than that, vinyl siding is very easy to repair. We often will take off a section and put on new, but one of the things to consider is that the colors may not match up. And it's the front face of your house, so we have to be real careful that you may not like the look of it, but oftentimes it can be repaired.
Okay, awesome. And then in Michigan, I mean, we've got kind of an extreme weather climate going on, where we get really hot, really cold. How does vinyl siding hold up in that condition? It does really well, but in Michigan, it does expand and contract a lot. So sometimes it can be really tough, and it gets beat up pretty well. So it may not last as long, but it still does a good job. Awesome. Well, Dan, thanks so much today. It was great to hear more about vinyl siding. And if you have any questions, definitely reach out to Dan from Acme Exteriors.